Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Escape headlight. First, gather your essential tools: a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and of course, your new headlight bulb. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Then, simply open the hood and locate the headlight assembly you plan to replace. Now, let's remove the headlight assembly. Begin by using your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry up the two plastic clips located on the top of the headlight unit. Next, grab your 10mm socket wrench and unscrew the single bolt positioned near the fender. With these fasteners removed, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward to detach it from the vehicle's frame. With the assembly out, it's time to replace the bulb. First, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release the old bulb from its housing. Then, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small tab and pulling it straight off. Now, take your new bulb. Remember to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, then twist the socket clockwise to secure it in the assembly. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its opening until it clicks firmly into place. Reinstall the two plastic clips and tighten the 10mm bolt you removed earlier. Lastly, turn on your vehicle's headlights to ensure your new bulb is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.